What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? What are we doing today?
I don't know what we're doing. We are pulling off the 27,000 hour original top end.
It's got big miles.
On the 70 there, and we're going to do the old massive big boy. The old 88cc kit. So here, hold this.
That's the piston from the kit?
Yeah, so here's a factory 70 piston.
Yeah.
And
yeah, we're just gonna
we're gonna put this one in. So this is a factory 70cc.
Yeah.
And this is a 72cc.
Ah, okay,
so we're doing
gotcha.
a 2C. No, so we're doing an 88cc kit, really common, cheap kit. Honestly, I just wanted to refresh the top end, and for the extra $100 or $150 that it costs, I might as well just get the 88cc kit, you know, whatever.
Yeah, might as
Instead
well.
of keeping it 70, who gives a shit, right?
Well, you're always riding the damn thing too.
Yeah,
right?
I
So-
ride with this thing a stupid amount. So
Yeah.
of all things I ride, it's this the most.
Yeah,
So,
like this guy literally fires this thing up probably
almost like every day of the summer.
almost every day of the summer
I
and
don't
goes
drive
riding.
it like for long drives, but
Yeah.
I drive it around the block. My dog loves the thing, so I take my dog for rides on it. And I pretty much in the summer, like almost every single day, I take it for a couple rips around the block. Not a lot of mileage, but consistently driving it.
Yep.
Plus, I'm assuming that's the stock top end too. I know it's a Honda cylinder; it's not a Chinese cylinder, so odds are it's probably 1,000,000 miles. Anyways, yeah. So 88cc kit. Pretty simple. Comes with everything you need: piston, rings, little gasket kit.
That's pretty freaking nice. First time I
Dude,
see
we
that.
got a sticker.
What?
That's a pretty wild sticker.
That's all right, yeah.
Gasket kit, wrist pin. Oh, did they not give you a circlip? Okay.
Yeah.
And they put a notch. See the factory piston? I don't think has the notch. It's gonna be really fun to get.
Jam the all in there and
Yeah.
just give her your all.
So yeah, we're just gonna throw that on. We're not gonna do any jetting or any proper stuff. We're just gonna throw it on there and see what it does.
Well, yeah.
And hopefully it's faster than last year. I don't remember what it did last year. It was.
I think it was like 20.
No, we brought it out 2 years ago, and I think it did 29. And then we brought it out last year with
Yeah.
the Chinese one, and it did better. I
Yeah.
think it was like 32.
Yeah, I think it's around
I'll
there.
put the clip here because I'll just pull it from the last video that nobody watched.
You'll put the clip right here.
Anyway. Oh, she's tied. There it is. Same as last year. 30 mile an hour. Oh. 32 mile an hour. Anyway, so it did that. So I don't know what it's going to do now. We'll see if it makes any difference. Who knows? Maybe it'll make it worse. Maybe it'll make it worse.
I don't know. I can't see it not making a difference.
I think it'll help. I don't know. It's still going to have the factory exhaust.
Well, you know what?
now, but-
Hold on.
Huh.
It's us doing it, so it's probably going to be worse.
Yeah, it's probably,
Yeah.
probably 25.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what it does. I'm being optimistic. I'm hoping. I don't know what I'm hoping for. Let's say it did 33 because I don't remember. It's around there. Tired. The other one I think did 35. The Chinese one.
I'm going to say damn near 40.
I say 39.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
Maybe I'll be optimistic. Say 40. Go for 40.
You're going for it? I'm going to say 39.
Yeah, it's probably 39.
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll start pulling this apart. I'm not really gonna film much. Well, whatever. We'll see what we film.
Yeah, we'll film some
film
parts.
some.
I mean, it's pretty basic, guys.
Simple motor, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember how to do it.
4 bolts here. It's just a bunch of
it's
rods
just-
that run
yeah,
right
it's
through.
just studs that run through your cylinder and your head. So when you pull these out, like literally everything slides
Yeah,
out. Very
just pull the
simple.
front fender, front tire. Everything comes out
Bing
the
bong,
front.
bing bong, you know.
Bing bong, bing bong.
And maybe we'll even change the oil in it. I don't know. Maybe.
You're crazy. No, we're not doing
No,
that.
okay, we're
sorry,
not doing
sorry guys, not in the budget.
I
Maybe
did
next
go
year.
3 years ago. It's probably still fun. All right, we'll start taking this thing apart.
All right.
And shit.
All right, front wheels off, fenders off. Jamie's looking for the timing marks here.
Yeah, I think I do have to pull this cover up. But
Yeah,
I think there's a mark on the inside of the case. I just don't remember.
yeah.
But whatever.
Exhaust is off, and
Yeah, we'll do.
damn near straightforward from here. Once he gets the timing marks all figured out, just gonna start sliding everything out the front here. All right, it's been like I don't know, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Things happened.
Yeah, she's all apart.
She's all apart, just like that.
Super simple motor, very easy.
Yeah.
I didn't think we'd be able to tell like quite the difference between the 70 and the 88. Like I knew it was going to be bigger, but I thought it'd be like super hard to tell and you have to measure it out.
So there's the piston from the 70, and there's the piston from the 88. It's
actually quite a bit. Well, there you go.
Yeah, it's quite a bit
bigger,
smaller.
Or well,
Whatever.
whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Come on.
And we pulled the head off. A little bit of
She's
Yeah.
running out of life. That's okay.
the pipe's been wearing into the head a bit, but
You know what's
whatever.
like that's gonna be good for?
What's
A
that?
little bit of where is it? JB.
Yeah, well,
Build her
is
back
that the
up.
noise it makes? Yeah.
Normally when you mix it, it comes out the tube. Yeah. So basically, we're just gonna scrape some gaskets off because, of course, all the gaskets are like totally.
Yeah, it's always my favorite part when we scrape gaskets
awesome,
there.
the
Yeah.
best. and then start reassembling. Oh, there's a new one there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh. And yeah.
Yes.
Maybe do valve seals if you have them. Because
somebody
didn't think about it. Yeah. Yeah.
Is what it is.
Too much 2-stroke junk all the time. Never dealing with 4
Valves,
strokes. Yeah.
How do you even change them? Dude, I don't even think you can. Oh, I guess you probably pull them out through these covers, yeah.
I think what you usually do is you take that and it goes in there.
Yeah, and you buy a complete new assembly for $70.
Yep.
To your door, yeah.
All right, well, let's keep going on this here. Totally just got sidetracked. We kept going with this and
basically finished the whole thing.
Basically, yeah, damn near. So we got the new cylinder in.
Yep.
New gaskets on everything, really.
Yeah, we end up changing like literally every single gasket.
Yeah, that was pretty
We're trying to avoid doing that, and then
we ended up changing everyone. So Jamie's just putting the last cover on. We needed to take that cover off to check our timing mark, which is right here.
This is still on T, yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, so if you guys are ever wondering, you put it on T for top dead center, and then you got a timing mark on your gear here.
When we flipped it back, this fell out. I don't know where it goes.
That?
Yep.
I
thought it sat on here.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about
that. And then the case hit it. I don't know where that was from. Oh well.
Yeah, probably don't matter, eh?
Let me see.
Yeah, it's from the hole there.
I don't know. Whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's basically how we're doing things here. Yeah, getting it all back together. And what else you got to say, man?
That's about it. We're getting deadly close to trying to start it anyway.
Yeah. We'll check back with you guys once we got this back together. We're ready to start. What up?
Not much.
All right, so
yeah, we fired it up and just let it idle a little bit. Runs good. Took it for just a boot around the yard. Can't tell if it's got more power. I think so, a little bit.
You're saying it feels faster. I'm saying it feels torquier.
Yeah. I felt it more like at the top. Like I know with the old motor, with the old top end, like you'd hit 4th gear, and it'd have like trouble kind of pulling 4th, even on just the road. Like it would do it, but it was like not happy about it. I feel like it's better now, but I don't know. We'll go see. We'll go run it on the gun. See if it gets anything else out of it.
There's a kit installed.
Yeah, you can see the nice new cylinder and the nice 30-year-old head. That's okay. Yeah.
What? Pretty good. What was that? Like 2 hours?
2 hours. It actually took a little longer than I thought, but yeah, it was still only what 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours.
Yeah.
Went through good. Everything worked good. The piston doesn't hit the head like that other China 70 I had.
Yeah.
As you can hear, it doesn't.
Oh yeah.
Knock when you pull it over.
Yeah, good clearance on that one, eh? There it is, idling. Yep. These things are so quiet.
It's funny. Yeah, it makes like literally no noise at all. It's hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah, it runs very similar to the old one. I don't know. I think it's just maybe a little more power. Nothing crazy, but a little more.
Yeah.
But we'll go find out. We're running on the gun.
Take her to our private road.
Yeah, my buddy's got a private little strip there, and we have to sign waivers and all this.
Yeah. We'll go deal with all the paperwork there, and then we'll film this thing going down the road there.
Put a lot of work behind the scenes for you guys. It takes a lot to pull these permits. And stuff.
Yeah.
What you got to do? You got to do what you got to do for the people, right?
Yeah, deal with the city. We go through all the proper legal channels there,
Okay, yeah, we'll load it up and get her on the gun.
All right, we out here. We breaking land speed records.
Yeah, I'm going for, what did I say before, 39?
You said you're gonna be an optimist and you're gonna say 40.
Okay. And I'm thinking now like that we did a little loop.
Yeah.
75 mile an hour.
Yeah, me too.
I think I said last year was like 32, 33.
Was it 32?
I don't know.
I'm gonna say
I'm gonna post the video, but I just don't remember.
It didn't feel that much faster.
It didn't feel that much faster.
I'm saying 39.
I don't know if it's gonna do 39.
I'm gonna say 39 just because I'm on the down, like underneath 40, because you're saying 40.
Okay. Yeah.
You can't take it back. You said 40.
I'm good for 39. I think that's good. I'm thinking almost like after driving it like 37, but I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll see here. Like we paid for the permit.
Yeah. What?
Like,
oh, they're just making sure nobody's on this private road. Yeah.
All right.
Here we go. It's the final countdown. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Man, that thing's slow as hell. Still doing 29.
I feel like it was slower. feel like it was slower.
Slower, dude?
It's slower.
What did
What did we do?
we ruined it.
You do a run on it.
Middle Lake ruining.
Middle Lake ruining. Middle Lake loss of power. That was worth the time and effort, eh? I was driving, I'm like, yo, I swear it's slower.
I got you, I'm like, that's like slow as shit, man.
It's worse. Whatever. All right, here comes round 2. Let's hope for better than 29. Let's hope for what we had last year at least. Okay, well, you clicked 30 so far. One mile an hour more. We ruined it. Oh boy. We ruined her.
I tried everything. I even punched holes in my shoes.
We're really trying the hardest here. So verdict, not a good idea. Should have left.
Yeah, like that sucks.
Yeah, oh well. Hey.
Maybe it's a jetting issue.
I don't know. Maybe the head doesn't work. There's not enough volume for the bigger bore. Maybe that's why everyone puts a head on it. So maybe it actually runs.
Definitely slower.
It's definitely slower.
Yeah. It feels slower.
Unbelievable. Yeah, maybe that's why people put the head on it. Maybe the head's got more like volume, more chamber size. I don't know. I know it's worse.
Yeah. So, more compression.
Yeah.
Less speed.
Yeah. Yeah, it just makes sense, eh? More compression, fresh rings, fresh bore, less everything else.
New gaskets.
New gaskets. Oh. We should put the old gaskets back in. Because they're probably, you know, they're a little bit slammed, they're decked, right? Yep. It would have been higher compression.
Yeah, maybe that's what's going on. We lost compression, so we put new gaskets.
Yeah, we should have put the old, we should have went no gaskets.
Gasket maker.
Mm-hmm.
Yep,
Mm-hmm.
yep.
So, yeah, I don't know. I guess this was a giant waste of time.
Yeah, well, if you guys like this stuff, I mean, I don't like this stuff.
If you guys like complete failures, yeah, stay tuned because we got lots of videos for you.
Yeah, next up, maybe a coloring book or something.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe I'll put the 70 top end back on it.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to do that. All right, so match the speed of last year is the same thing. I don't know what happened there, but like we mentioned, maybe something with jetting. Maybe the head doesn't work, the stock 70 head doesn't work with the 88cc bore. Not efficient, right? I don't know. But we got an exhaust coming for it. Should be here soon anyway. And we'll play with the jetting a little bit. So there'll be more on that. But overall, it's been a few days now. I've been driving it a bit. It actually does run like a lot better everywhere else. Like there is noticeably more bottom end torque. Like you can short shift gears and it'll pull gears no problem. Before you can't. You have to redline everything because it's meant for a kid, right? So. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned. Check out the other videos. We got a bunch of stuff. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey! Subscribe to the channel.